Good morning, class. Today we are going to learn about the structure of nephron, alright, and we are going to know the different terms. So this is the structure of a nephron. You can see over here it's a coil structure, and you have a cup shaped over there, and it has been divided into two parts. We are going to learn about them in detail. Alright, so let us start with this. So each nephron, alright, this whole nephron, there are millions and millions of nephron in the kidney, but we are taking one nephron as an example. Alright, so alright, so what is the main function of this nephron? Is to form urine. Alright, the main function of nephron is to form, it helps in the formation of urine. Alright, so it's a highly coiled tube-like structure. It is blind at one end. Alright, this is blind at one end and open at the other end. It is divided into two parts. This portion from here till copsep, from here till here, till this portion is known as malphizian capsule, and remaining portion is known as renal tubule or tubular part. So malphizian capsule, it's further divided into Bowman's capsule and glomerulus. So let us know them. So what is Bowman's capsule? By the word Bowman's, it's a thin-walled cup-like structure. It has a hollow internal space which continues to form the tubules leading to tubular part. Alright, so let us know about glomerulus. The glomerulus means it has network of capillaries. Alright, it is a network of capillaries present in the cup of the Bowman's capsule. It is formed by capillaries and incoming blood vessels, that is the efferent arteriole, and that of the outgoing vessel, that is the efferent arteriole. So efferent arteriole, then will come glomerulus, then will come efferent arteriole. So supply of blood vessels. Now let's learn about the renal tubule now. So whenever you think of the renal tubule, the Bowman's capsule leads to a tubular part, alright, a coil part known as renal tubule. This has been further divided into proximal convoluted tubule, loop of Henle, distal convoluted tubule, and collecting duct. Alright, collecting duct. So we'll start with proximal tubule. So what is this? Proximal means nearer, so it's very near to Bowman's capsule. Alright, so both Bowman's capsule and proximal lies in the cortex of the kidney. Next is loop of Henle. It is the middle U-shaped part of the renal tubule. It is found in the medulla of the kidney. Next, now distal is a highly coiled part found in the cortex. Right, it opens into the collecting tubule. This opens into the collecting tubule. Right, the open ends. Alright, so this is the last end. The open ends, these are the open ends. Open ends of so many nephrons opens into a wider tube called collecting tubule or collecting duct. What is the main function? The collecting duct is to receive the contents of the main kidney tubules and pour it as urine in the pelvis of the kidney. So the main function is to receive all the contents and pour it as urine in the pelvis of the kidney. That is collecting